A year ago today, 40 CRPF Jawans were martyred by a suicide bomber in Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama while their convoy was travelling from Jammu to Srinagar. The attack was carried out by Pakistan-backed Jaish-e-Mohammed, which is a terror group operating in the valley whose goal was to keep the Kashmir issue burning. Post the appalling attack on security personnel, the army had specifically trained its efforts at loosening the foothold of JEM in the valley and bringing all those directly and indirectly responsible for the cowardly plot to justice. Tributes were paid to the 40 slain Jawans at the CRPF Lethpora camp who made the ultimate sacrifice in the line of duty for their country. These men hailed from across the length and breadth of India. Zulfikar Hassan, the special CRPF DG J&K zone, while saluting the sacrifice of the men, said that all the conspirators of the attack were brought to book. He also said that the CRPF has tried its best to take care of the martyrs' families. The Pulwama attack had sent shockwaves through the nation and further deteriorated India-Pakistan ties. In fact, India cornered Pakistan globally in the wake of the attack to underscore that terror and talks cannot go together. India pointed to the neighbours' use of terror as an instrument of state policy and also shunned it when it sought to talk about Kashmir's special status, which India withdrew to stress that the region belongs to India, and also sent out the message that subsequently Pakistan-occupied Kashmir will return to India as well. India's surgical strikes in terror camps at Balakot was also a fallout of the Pulwama attack. Much water has flown under the bridge since 14th February last year. However, the pain of losing loved ones can never truly subside. While the army and the government have taken the defense and diplomatic track to combat terror, there is one Marathi youth named Umesh Gopinath Jadhav who has been on a 61,000-kilometer long journey to connect hearts across the country. He has visited the homes of each of the Pulwama martyrs spread across India and gathered soil from their houses in order to build a memorial for the martyrs. He said he is proud he met families and friends of all the 40 Jawans and collected soil from their homes and cremation grounds for the memorial. The Prime Minister also remembered the attack in a tweet, saying India will never forget the men's martyrdom.